Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is just cool. I'm missing one right here in my hand, and basically what this is a vase that you can use to hold your plants, your flowers, or whatever. Eventually it's this long right here. So you can see for the product itself, it comes with this nice little bag right here that has like two of these bottles of vase right here. So let me actually take it out to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so here is the first one. And right here is the second one. So both of them are different colors, if you can see right here. And then the bottom part is covered and the top part is open. And the material that they use on here is not like porcelain or anything, it is in here. It's kind of like plastic or some other material on here, so it's unbreakable. So if you guys end up dropping it, you don't have to worry about it. But you can see from the actual product itself, it's pretty fashionable. It looks very modern as well with that geometric shape. And when you guys view the material on here, it feels really smooth. But for the product itself, it's pretty straightforward. All you guys need to do is just put your flowers, your roses, or whatever you guys want to put in here. As long as you guys can actually fit in here, they should be fine. And if you guys are curious about what it actually looks like once you guys put the flower on and everything, you guys refer to this image right here. But I also put some flowers in here, so let me actually do that first to show you guys what it actually looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So for this test, I do need to open up the actual lavender itself because it won't fit all in here, if you can see. So I do need to open it up and then put some in here and put some in the other one as well. So you guys want to open up this part right here. You guys can see all the lavender falling off already. Alright, so I just want to put it down and just take some out at a time. Alright, so we put some inside. This is basically what it looks like. So since the package itself, it comes with so many of these, you don't actually need to open up both of them if you guys don't need to. You guys can actually just open one and use that one first. So I have the other bottle right here. I just put it somewhere on this side as well. Let me grab a little bit more and just stick it in here. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like. So when I actually use two of these vase bottles that's pretty small right here. So we still got all this and we still got a brand new one that hasn't been opened. So this should definitely last you guys for quite some time when you guys actually use these products. But let me actually put this down on the table and then show you guys what it actually looks like on the vase itself. Alright, so once you guys fully set it up, it should look something like this. If you can see, pretty straightforward and very easy to set it up. And I definitely love this geometric shape or figure right here to add that extra like modern look to it on top of the lavender itself. But when I actually put it right here, I can definitely smell that strong fragrance smell or the scent on the actual lavender already. So you guys can definitely add this into your living room, your bedroom, or wherever you guys want to. That's up to you guys. Alright, welcome back guys. So next after a quick test, actual product itself, you can definitely see that actually does work and it's worked quite well. Super easy to use and super easy to set up, if you guys can see right here. I mean, even if you guys don't put the flower into the vase itself or the pot itself, it still looks pretty cool. But definitely when you guys put any flower in here, it looks a lot cooler. These are definitely perfect if you guys want to use at home, in the living room, at your office, or whatever. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we've got unboxing and testing the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a vase that's super portable and unbreakable because of the material is not like porcelain or whatever. And also if you guys still want to get that modern look to the actual vase or pot to add into your room, then this is actually really nice and super worth it as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.